Yo, so on this video, sorry it's been a minute since my last upload, but had some few truck problems and just didn't really feel like uploading, so that's my bad. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in. In this video, I actually ran my truck hot the other day, probably about 2 or 3 days ago, and I think my water pump is going out. I'm sure this is the one that's been on here since it was manufactured or whatever. So how do I know? When I put fluid in here, it's leaking straight out, like right under here, like right down below here underneath is where it's leaking. So I'm gonna just change the water pump as well as the thermostat. Went and purchased them from AutoZone. Here's the new water pump. Here's the thermostat with thermostat housing. In case some of the gasket stuff is still on the old one, when I take it off, got some brake cleaner just to get it off and make sure I can get a good seal. And then it comes with the new rings and gaskets and stuff. So I'm gonna take a stab at getting this fixed, and I'll try to show y'all as much as possible. But yeah, we're gonna get into it right quick. So we are back. Did a little bit of stuff. I don't have any type of mount or anything to kind of let y'all see, but we'll try something. Anyway, here is, I've taken the fan shroud off. I've actually taken the radiator fan off, took the belt off, and I also took off of the tensioner pulley. So there's that. I had to use this PVC pipe to get a little leverage to take this fan off. And then, like I said, here's the tensioner pulley. I left all the screws in just so they don't get misplaced or anything. I think that is it. I'm gonna take off these 2 hoses here, and then I think it's like 6 bolts. Well, I'm gonna take the thermostat and thermostat housing off, which is these 2, and then the actual water pump is 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you can see them, but in here is 1, 2. It's 3 on this side also. Let me go in down here. So 1, 2, and 3 right there. And it should come off, and then get everything cleaned up. Make sure the gasket is all the way off, cleaned out, dried off and everything, so we got a tight seal. What I've been thinking since I've been in here too, I may, because my AC is not working, I may get another compressor and go ahead and put it on, because it seems like everything is easier to reach right now that the fan and all this stuff is off. So I may do that now, and I may be able to have air and my car not run hot. So that'll be cool. So I'm finna do that, and again, I'll be right back with y'all. All right, so real quick, because it's about to start raining on me, but if y'all look down in here, we have taken off the water pump. Next thing is to just put this new one on. I make sure everything lines up. I'ma put the new gasket on and put the screws in, the new one, and then put it on there, and hopefully everything works good. So we'll see, but this is it. Yep, so we got everything buttoned back up. Air box is back. I mean, this air, whatever, intake is back on. I just poured 1 gallon in, and it's not dripping or anything. Let me see. Let's get down here and see what we can see. Hopefully y'all can see that, but when I was pouring antifreeze or water before, it was dripping from like right under here. So yeah, it looked like we got it together. I'm gonna turn it on right quick, turn the heat on, and keep topping it off until it gets up to operating temperature, and the thermostat will open up and take all of that I've been putting in, take it down, and then I'll just top it off. And then once it is full and it's up to running temperature, I am I'm going to take it for a test drive. So like I said, I'm gonna start it up, turn the heat on, let it get up to running temperature, and then take it for a test drive. And I'll be back and let y'all know how it went, what happened. It's raining, but I had to grab this on my camera. Yeah, it's still leaking. It's coming out of here. Y'all see this? So I guess this is a heater hose. I don't know, but this is where it's leaking at, which sucks because I just wasted all of this coolant on the ground because I didn't see that at first, and now it's raining, as y'all can see. So I think this is gonna be a wrap for now. I gotta figure out how to fix that. Shit. Okay, well, at least I can see where it's coming from now, but let me get out this rain and close it down until I'm ready to come back out here and mess with it again. I'll be right back. All right, so as y'all saw in the last clip, I did purchase the piece that was broke off. It's just the heater core connector or whatever. So I'm gonna replace this. Apparently it's a common issue for those to break off. It's probably been breaking off for a minute because I did have a low coolant light on, and every time I get an oil change or just whenever I see the light, I would put coolant in it and it would still come on maybe a few days later. So I'm gonna say it was just leaking anyway, so that probably was my issue. But now that I went ahead and already replaced the water pump and all of that, it should be good. I'm not gonna go back in and take it off or nothing, so it is what it is. It should be good going forward. You know, I replaced the water pump, the thermostat, and the thermostat housing, and I also replaced the serpentine belt, so everything should be good for a minute. Everything has warranties and stuff, so that's cool. There was no leaks under the actual for the water pump is, so I know that's secured and everything is tight. Now it's just when it stopped raining, as y'all can see, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because it's still raining, so I'm not gonna get to put this part on tonight, but hopefully tomorrow I'll get to go ahead and put that on and come back with y'all, let y'all know. But as far as this video and recording today, it's a wrap. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like this video, share this video, comment below what you think. I don't know how I didn't see that massive water leaking from back there, but I saw it today, so you know it's gonna get repaired. So it is what it is. Hopefully once all this is done, you know, it'll be running smoothly and not overheating. So again, like this video, share this video, comment below, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Trying to get to 100 subscribers still. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Everything Mr. Lee on IG. Peace.